This wig is so versatile. This wig is so natural looking. This wig is just gorgeous. And this is one that I definitely can recommend that you pick up from Nadula Hair.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
It's like I upload a Nadula wig at least once a week. That's how much I love, and I can vouch for them. If you look in that description box, I'll put a direct link to where you can purchase this, as well as all the details. Ooh, the texture on this is so pretty. Now look at that texture. That is so pretty. Very pretty. All right, as far as the cap construction goes, I can't remember the parting space I got, but like I said, look in that description box so you see it. You have just enough parting space. In the back, you have a comb and some adjustable straps, and they have the slots for the elastic band. The reason why I love these is because of how beginner friendly this is. I just filmed another wig, and oh, it was a struggle. It was a 360 lace wig. I struggled so bad. But now that I'm back to my homies over there at Nadula, look at how simple that is. Very beginner friendly. Somebody like me that can't comb hair, this is going to be right up your alley, okay? This won't take long. All I'm going to do is place it on my head. I'll run a flat iron through it to knock out some of those waves from shipping, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I'm feeling low even when we're alone. And that don't go that, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fell. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Alright guys, I'm back with my final thoughts on this unit, and you're probably wondering like why my shirt changed, why everything changed. It is because I filmed this wig there. Like I did the closure and everything, but I enjoyed this wig so much I wanted to go back and do a half up, half down to show you that even with this parting space, this wig is so versatile. This wig is so natural looking. This wig is just gorgeous. And this is one that I definitely can recommend that you pick up from Nadula Hair. Now I'm going to continue with my original closure. I just wanted to insert this here to show y'all that this wig really is bomb.com. And I can 1000% recommend it. Okay, here's the original closure. All right, guys, I'm back with my final thoughts on this unit by Nadula, and as always, I'm absolutely in love with this. You know, there are 3 things that a wig has to do for me to recommend that you buy it. One, it's affordable. This one definitely is. Two, is it beginner friendly? I don't think it gets any more easier than this. And then the last one is quality, and this quality is top notch. This wig is just gorgeous at this length. This is a throw on and go. This is a wig that you could even keep by your door on a hook, like a little hat, and grab it when you're ready to go out the door, and you would be happy. This is gorgeous, y'all. The texture on this unit is very, 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 very nice. There's like not a single complaint, so I definitely recommend that you pick this one up. If you look down in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this gorgeous, beautiful Yaki natural unit that I know you will love. While you're down there in the comments, talk to me. Tell me what your thoughts are on this wig, and tell me some other units that you would want me to pick up from Nadula to bring you guys. Show them to you, because you know I'm gonna keep it funky. I'm gonna keep it real on if it's good, because this is a 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend this one, y'all. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me?